Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper, well, it's actually Sunday. In yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 20th, 2021, I have already solved the first puzzle. The second puzzle is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 2507. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 could be here, could be there. We see here another 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in this box. Here 5, no 5 in that box. So the only box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. And then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, and the 9 are missing. 159 in the second column. 159. So the other 3 numbers should be the 2, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 195, 195, 195. So the other two numbers should be the 2 and the 3. The 2 and the 3 are missing in this big square. We see here the 2 and the 3 in this column. So no 2 and the 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers. So 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 3, alright. Alright. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Then. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. Then let me see. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row should be the numbers 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 257, 257, and look, we have a 5 and a 7 here in this column, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. All right. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 2, alright. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. 4 or 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. One number left in the last column for the number 7. Yes, 7 is missing. One number left in the column next for the number 9. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final two numbers of this middle big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes for 2 stars Sudoku. I think this is not a 2 stars. I think rather a 1 star. Because for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 50 minutes to 20 minutes I need. And I have solved this in 11 minutes, and I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last 2 puzzles. A binary one and a tectonic one. Prepare for those 2. See you later. Bye-bye for now.